Hello everyone from China to Europe, United States, Malaysia, and all the user of Sunol Sciences equipment. For so many years, since 1996 until 2017, I was working designing circuit board and firmware with Dell and Sunol Sciences Corporation. Dale is the owner of Sunol Sciences, and he used to design the tables and the towers, all the mechanical parts, and all parts is from US. And he does most of even though sometimes when we don't have any person to work on welding and cutting needles, Dale by himself he used to do this work, cutting the needles and welding the tables and the tables. So all the product was to be done with Dale, and he always design and select material that work for long time, not for short time, and uh, and until 2017 when Dale decided to retire and sold the company. Uh, the last product we work on was Tilt 3. Dale, as I said, he's a very honest person to work with him, and we used to go together to the field, to the companies, to the point where a lot of people they don't know that he's the owner of the company and he's the engineer who designed all these mechanical parts. And people they used to assume like we are a big company, but we are not a big company. We are a small company. Uh, Only three engineers. Each one has his own field of work inside the company. So prices wasn't like expensive uh, because Dell used to look at the matter of every company, every like he look at the small companies like those people they say they want to survive, they want to make a living, so we don't charge them too much money. Services, I used to go to the field. If we go there when there is no issues, I mean, sometimes like the companies, they mistakenly changed reverse connection of fiber optics like that. So we don't charge them for going to their site. We just, I mean, if we have to change materials, then we charge them for the materials. So that how the where that's what the policy with the customer. And I used to also customer call me anytime, even though in the holiday. I do remember one time or in China and Malaysia, we don't keep the we don't if we don't handle the issues next day because of the timing. They have to call me the same day they are working, and I talk to him, and I talk to the company at night time. Uh, so we need to fix the problem the same day. I don't want to make like delay between timing delay like one day between maybe send him an email next day he will send. So I use Skype to talk to the customer in Malaysia and China and as well as in Europe. So as I say, we don't charge the customer for any service unless we have to change the part. Sunol Science being closed at that time was very bad for the small companies. They can afford to purchase very expensive equipment, and that's how I'm answering question, get emails because home. Uh, it doesn't matter from my home, from the office. I'm always in touch with the customer. So I have their emails. They send me an email. They don't know like Sunol Science is already gone. No, I mean in 2017, it's just disappeared. Sunol Science is there, no longer there. I'm no longer there working there.